My name's Rebecca, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review for this rollaway bed. This rollaway bed was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get this box open and see what we have. Now what you see here is what did come in the kit. It has the instructions. It also has the extra screws, the wheels, and the handles. And then the bases and the side handles and the mattress. Now it should be pretty easy. The pieces are labeled by letters, and that's how you'll follow the directions on the instruction book. Now let's get this together and see how it looks. Now what's really cool about the kit is that it will come with all the tools that you're going to need in order to put it together. You can see that the first piece to put in has been really easy. The other tool that you're going to be using to put this together for the installation. So far, so good. Second half is almost put together, and we'll have a full bed and get that mattress on there. This was very, very easy to put together. The instructions were very clear, and all we had to do was follow each step accordingly. Tell that this frame is a very sturdy, strong, and very durable. You have a choice to put on the brakes, and those are really simple to do also when you are stabilizing the bed. I have the mattress upside down because I want to show you how you can unzip this and wash that if it's needed. It's very easy. There is a foam inside there. It's very, very comfortable. This rollaway bed looks so nice. It is a twin size mattress in size of the frame. Now I am going to show you how easy it is to put it away. Fold it up. It does latch from a hook that all you do is you take it across and hook it, and then you'll take down the extra support beams. And then it'll be flush down, so then you'll be able to store it very easily. Are locked in place, and then you'll unhook the hook that holds it together and just pull it down. This bed will be very comfortable. It does fit twin size sheets and covers. This bed is so comfortable. It is going to be a great bed to have around when I have people visiting me. All in all, I think this is a great rollaway bed, and I suggest it.